Alright guys, we made it. We're back at my spot. It's like my spot one. It's where I always go when I first get onto the island. Allows me to set up, and that's what I just finished doing. The rain just picked up, so I'm going to go ahead and make this quick. I'm going to turn you around and just kind of show you what it looks like when, it's more or less set up. Just a quick setup. Alright, so I got a fire going. Always got to have one of these going in the background. Any kind of trash or anything that accumulates during the ferry trip and whatever, it's gonna be a while before you get into a trash can, so gotta have a little burn pile ready. So I got the cushions all set up now. Back out a little bit here. Still got stuff we gotta put away. This will go in the trash bin here. Got some extra food. Still got some gifts and things I need to give away. Got the dog bedding right there. Cushions are set up. My bed is more or less made. Still got extra towels. Didn't actually need a whole lot. Didn't even use one roll, so that was good. I'll remember that for next time. And yeah, I don't need to bring as many towels or paper towels, so that's good to know. Still got my clothes stashed up there a little bit. First aid kit's behind it. Got electronics bag and stuff back there with batteries and whatever, flashlight, extra flashlights, flashlight. Let's see, got some of the defense system in place. A couple of those right there. Again, this is YouTube, so I don't want to get banned or demonetized for stupid shit. Look how gorgeous it is, though. Look how gorgeous it is. Dogs are up there roaming around. There they are. It's one of my favorite spots. So I'm going to make this last bit quick because I think this video is a little too long, and I'm making this all on my phone. I'm going to try to stitch it together. Sorry guys for the poor-ish quality relative to my other videos. It's not on the GoPro, and I'm not editing it on my computer and using all my cool sound effects and stuff. Man, just look at that though. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Alright guys. Probably show you a couple of my spots. I'm not going to tell anybody where any of my spots are. There you are. Next thing I know, be a whole bunch of you out here. Every time I go to my spots, you're going to be at my spot. I'm sure some of you are cool. That's alright. But for the most part, I come out here so I don't have to be around anyone. I'm sure you guys will do that too. Anywho, I'm sure I'll talk to some of you anyways. Okay. Well, that's it, guys. That was a trip down Juneau to Prince of Wales. That's traveling with dogs. That's how I set up my camper pre-overlanding. Or I guess it's all overlanding, but that's how I set up on the ferry. And we're happy to be back here. Also, why I like this spot is there's unlimited water flowing in off the mountain. Got a culvert over there. Got lots of firewood. So even though I got to go into town and work tomorrow, usually I'd load up on firewood, bust out the chainsaw and axe, and load up the back end of the truck as much as I could. But I got a cool work trip instead, so that'll be here in the next month or so. Alright guys, I'm going to get out of here. See you in the next one.